In this video, I'll show you that how you can basically fix this pivot point issue in Blender. So as you can see, I created a simple model, and now I want to set this pivot point into this kind of like this middle position, and also I want to fix this like this. Like I want this pivot point at here. How can I do that? It's basically very simple. You need to just select the object, just adjust your location how you want, make sure that is in the central position as possible. Like you can choose camera and you can just adjust like how you want. And once you're done, you need to just select this object, then set origin, and then you need to set origin to 3D cursor. It will automatically set your cursor this 3D point, so it will be now at here. So now boom, you've finally fixed your pivot point in Blender. It's totally very easy. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this. Love you all. Bye bye. See you in the next tutorial video.